What is going on, everybody? This is Black Apino, the Apple Guy, and today I am going to do just a quick tutorial for those of you who have basically just to show you how to update your Surface Pro or Surface Go, or it's pretty much works for any Windows device. How do you know if your device has been updated, or if you want to turn off your updates automatically? That way you can do it yourself. I know a lot of people that I talk to hate it when Microsoft comes up with a new update and then they update it automatically and then they don't know it's updated because they didn't know that you could actually disable this and then do it yourself. So as you see here on my screen, I'm actually using my Surface Go that I have, and we're going to do the first thing we're going to do is go into the Windows option or the Start, tap on, and then you're going to come down to where it says Settings. What you're going to do is you're going to tap on that, and then you're going to go into where you get this things where it says Windows Settings. You get a whole bunch of different options. You're going to go to Update and Security, and here is where it comes up to Windows Updated. Now I have mine deactivated because I don't need Windows to automatically update it for me. I prefer doing it myself. But for those of you who have it on automatically and you want to turn it off and do it yourself, I'm going to show you really quick on how to do that. As you can see, you have three different options here. Change active hours, view update history, and advanced options. What you're going to do is you're going to hit on the advanced options, and it's going to bring you up to another screen. And here's where you have your update options. What you're going to do is you're going to turn off the automatically download updates, even over meter data connections. So basically what that means is when you have this on, every time you're connected to a Wi-Fi source, it will start to automatically update anything and everything that you have. If you don't want that to actually do that, then it's best just to turn it off, as you can see it on mine. That way, when you are getting ready to access your device itself, and you want to make sure you got the latest updates, you will just head back to Settings, the little black arrow, and then you just tap on the Check Updates, and that way it'll do it itself, as you can see it doing here. Keep in mind that you have to do this every time you want to see if there's any new updates. Sometimes you have to do it twice a day. It depends on what it is. Usually, from what I've seen, usually it's just going to be, as you can see, there was an update. It's usually only going to be Windows Defender. Usually be just antivirus updates, which is generally what you're going to get every time you hit the updates available. So that is pretty much all you have to do if you want to disable the automatic updates for your Windows device. That way Windows doesn't update it for you automatically and you get confused and wanting to know what updates you have. Also, there's another thing that you can do also, as well, as you see up in the side. In the little corner here it says see what's new. You can actually explore some of the new features that may have been automatically updated, or you can view the update history. And once you tap on that, it literally shows you all the updates that you have had that have been initiated or have been installed on your Windows device. But generally, if you want to know what's new or what's been updated, then you can basically click on the before mentioned option. But as you can see, yeah, this is everything that I had initially updated on my uh, Surface that I initiated myself. These are not automatic updates. I do not have mine initiated that way. And as I said, you can always go to see what's new, and you click on that, and it basically just shows you tips on what's new and pretty much anything else that's been new that has been added to your Surface Go. So again, this is Becca Pino, the Apple Guy. As always, feel free to browse my videos. Hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. That way you'll never miss new content as I drop it. And have a good one.